Ever wonder if your skincare routine is just right or if it could use a tweak? Perhaps you're contemplating if that new serum is worth the hype, or questioning the order of your regimen. Well, buckle in, because we're about to reveal the secrets to healthy, glowing skin. You see, the skin is the largest organ of your body, and just like any other part, it requires some love and care. It's our protective shield against the outside world, constantly working to keep us healthy. Proper skincare helps maintain this shield's strength. It also aids in managing hydration levels, keeping skin looking youthful and radiant. Regular care can combat skin issues like acne and dryness, and even slow signs of aging. And the best part, it doesn't have to be complicated. A good skincare routine revolves around 3 core steps: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Let's dive into each of these steps to help you understand what they entail and how to choose the right products. First up, cleansing. This is your starting point, the step where you rid your skin of all the impurities it's collected throughout the day. Whether it's makeup, dust, or oil, a good cleanser will wash it all away. But remember, not all cleansers are created equal. It's essential to choose one that's suited to your skin type. Dry skin? Go for a hydrating cleanser. Oily skin? A gel or foam-based cleanser might be your best bet. Next, we have toning. Often overlooked, toning is a crucial step that helps restore your skin's pH balance after cleansing. It also helps remove any lingering impurities. When choosing a toner, avoid alcohol-based ones as they can be drying. Instead, opt for a hydrating toner that suits your skin type. Lastly, moisturizing. This is the step that seals in all the goodness. A good moisturizer will hydrate your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and glowing. Again, the key is to choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. And don't forget, even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. Remember, the goal is to maintain your skin's natural balance, and these 3 steps are your best bet. So to recap, a good skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. It's a simple 3-step process, but each component is vital. First, cleanse to remove dirt and impurities. Next, moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Finally, protect your skin with a sunscreen that shields against harmful UV rays. Remember, consistency is the key. A one-off effort won't yield the desired results. It's the daily repetition of this 3-step routine that will help maintain the health and vitality of your skin. So, prioritize your skin health. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. With a consistent routine, you're on your way to achieving that radiant glow you've always dreamed of. Now go show your skin some love.